Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to steam cabbage that it will come out tasty. I understand that most people, they don't like cabbage because they say it doesn't have taste, but today I'm going to show you how you can steam the cabbage and it can be yummy. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and be part of this growing family. So what you need, guys, is just a cabbage. So for me, because I'm making it for just 2 people, I'm going to divide this one. I just need a quarter of this. This is it, guys. I just need a portion of this. This is my portion, and I'm going to wash it so that it will be clean. This is my water, guys. I'm just going to dip it like that. And then I drain the water. I'm slicing it into small pieces as much as I can. So guys, after that we are going to slice 2 pieces of onions. And the reason as to why it's advisable that you use enough onion is that so that the food can develop a nice flavor. Enough onion will add flavor, the required flavor to your food. So for me, I'm going to use 2 red onions. So after slicing the onions, you put them in here. We put the onions in the cabbage. We are yet to put it in the flame. Yeah, so make sure you do this. You separate these ones like that. Guys, I'm crying because of the onions. I hope I'm not the only one who does this because of the onions. They really make me cry. But anyway, as long as they are adding flavor to my food, I don't mind crying because of that. So yeah, like that, like this. Make sure it's just 1-1. The rings are just 1-1, so that it will be easier for you when you are turning them, when you're turning the cabbage. It will not give you a hard time turning the cabbage and mixing the two. Yeah, that's it, guys. So the other thing we're going to add is salt. Make sure it's enough. We need some cooking oil, and you can use cooking oil or even butter, but for today I'm going to use cooking oil. Just do it around. In here we have a mixture of cabbage, we have onion, red onion, and we have salt, and then cooking oil. So it's ready to go to the jiko. Yeah, it looks like that. And don't overcook, just a few minutes so that it will be crunchy. The cabbage needs to be crunchy. Our steamed cabbage is ready to be served, and you serve this alongside other meals. Yeah, and I'm going to show you the meal that I'm going to use this alongside. So guys, this is my supper tonight, and as I had told you is that I'll put the steamed cabbage in my supper. It will be part of my meal to complete my meal, because as you can see, this is a carbohydrates, this is meat, proteins. So what is lacking here is vegetables. So I'm going to add the steamed cabbage and the food will be ready, the meal will be complete. So I'll take our steamed cabbage, yeah, just put there. Look. So guys, this is the complete meal. Look how it looks, yummy, so yummy. Look guys, if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and try this recipe, and just comment on the comment section how it turned out to be, and kindly make sure to subscribe. Bye, see you in my next video.